Hi friends, my name is Nikita and today in this video I am going to talk about the books and resources I use as my daily devotionals, or you can say for my quiet time routine. So it will be really helpful to the beginners. So let's talk about it.
The one thing that I want to mention is no matter how many books or resources you use for your daily devotion or for your quiet time routine, you should never replace it with the Bible. The books and resources are only supplements to help you. So, read your Bible daily, and along with the Bible, read something which can help you understand the Bible. You can also use the study Bible for more information and details, and you can ask God to explain you. Talk with God, and He will make you understand the word. So, if you are looking for a daily devotional book, my top recommendation is this book, My Utmost for His Highest. I heard about this book many years ago, and I am reading this book since many months now. And I have also recently bought this book. Earlier, I was reading from their website. They daily update on their Facebook page also. So, if you don't want to buy a book, you can also read online. This book has always inspired me to read more and more. It is helping me in reading the Bible from a different perspective. It has helped me in developing the close relationship with God. This book is not written by the author. His widow compiled his spoken words into books after his death, and this is one of those classics. So, the daily devotionals given in this book are personal experiences and personal encounter with the God by Oswald Chambers. This book is not the Bible, it is intended to point you to the Bible. So, I encourage you to read this book. And this book has helped me a lot, and I'm sure it will help you too. Along with this one book, me and my family, we use the daily devotionals of the Upper Room. I am reading it since my childhood, and it has never failed to inspire me. It is very simple, and the devotionals are actually written by people like you and me, so the language is really simple. So if you want to read those devotionals, just go for it. And the most important part is prayer. Spend time with God in prayer.
I hope this video is helpful to you to some extent, and if you have any suggestions, just comment down below in the comment section. And thank you for joining and watching this video.